Now we are going to learn what is the relationship between the zeros and their coefficients of a polynomial. We will take from one by one polynomial. First linear polynomial, then quadratic polynomial, then cubic polynomial. Linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. What is the standard for ax plus b equal to 0? Where, comma, a not equal to 0. That is coefficient of x not equal to 0. How to find the zeros of the polynomial? To ax plus b. Linear polynomial is ax plus b where a not equal to 0. How to find the zeros of the linear polynomial? To find the zeros of linear polynomial, equate the linear polynomial to 0. Ax plus b equal to 0. Therefore, ax is equal to minus b, x is equal to minus b by a. X is equal to minus b by a. Therefore, x is equal to minus, what is b? Constant term. Constant term divided by coefficient of x. That is, but don't mug this formula, just we can find linear polynomial very easily. To find a linear polynomial, x is equal to minus constant term divided by coefficient of x. We can solve easily. If you want to see the linear polynomial, 2x minus 3 equal to 0. How to find linear polynomial? 2x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 by 2. X is equal to 3 by 2. We don't need to use this formula. But we need a formula for quadratic and a cubic. Quadratic polynomial. What is the standard form? Ax square plus bx plus c, where a not equal to 0. If a will become 0, there should not be any x squared term. Now we can find it has at most 2 0. It has at most, a quadratic polynomial has at most 2 0. Let the 2 zeros are. Let the 2 zeros are. என்ன செய்யறோம் ஒரு 0 ஆல்பா இன்னொரு 0 பீட்டா நம்ம we can assume என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம் ஒரு 0 ஆல்பான்னு அசியூம் பண்ணிக்கிறோம் இன்னொரு 0 பீட்டான்னு அசியூம் பண்ணிக்கிறோம் இப்போ sum of zeros னா ரெண்டு ஜீரோஸையும் ஆட் பண்ணணும் ஒரு 0 ஆல்பா இன்னொரு 0 பீட்டா சம்னா அடிஷன் sum of two zeros அது ஃபார்முலா வந்து மைனஸ் coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. இந்த ஃபார்முலா தான் நீங்கள் படிக்கணும். நான் சொன்னேன்னா coefficient of x வந்து b minus b by a. இந்த ஃபார்முலாவை படிக்கக்கூடாது. ஏன்? சப்போஸ் இங்கே ஏக்கு போல b கொடுத்து இங்கே பிக்கு போல வேறு ஏதாவது நம்பர் கொடுத்தா அந்த ஃபார்முலா உதவாது. அதனால் என்ன பண்ணணும்? Write study the formula in the statement only, not in this method. So, sum of 0 is alpha plus beta equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Second one, product of zeros. Product and multiplication. We have to multiply. ஒரு 0 alpha, இன்னொரு 0 beta. Alpha into beta, there is always into sign இங்க இருக்கு. So we want to put into sign. Alpha beta. Alpha into beta வந்து constant term divided by coefficient of x square. இப்படி தான் படிக்கணும். Constant term divided by coefficient of x தான் படிக்கணும். ஆனால் இந்த சிம்பிள் ஆஃப் ஃபார்முலா படிக்கணும். இந்த இதுக்கு c by a. ஏன் படிக்கக்கூடாது அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் இப்போ bx ஸ்கொயர் ப்ளஸ் cx ப்ளஸ் a. இப்போ இந்த ஃபார்முலா இப்படி மக்கப் பண்ணணுன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. இப்போ what is sum of the zeros? minus c by b. இப்போ இந்த ஃபார்முலா பிடிச்ச தப்பாயிடும். What is the product of 0? Cos theta divided by b. A by b. இப்போ இந்த ஃபார்முலா வருது. ஸோ எந்த ஃபார்முலா போய் படிக்கணும்? ஒன்லி இந்த ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் ஃபார்முலா தான் படிக்கணும். ஆல்பா ப்ளஸ் பீட்டா ஈக்குவல் டு மைனஸ் கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் பை கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயர். Alpha into beta is constant term by coefficient of x square. That is the for quadratic polynomial. I am going to give for cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. What is the standard form? Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Condition a not equal to 0. Coefficient of x cube should not be equal to 0. இதுக்கு how many zero? This cubic polynomial has at most 3 zeros. Let the zeros are. Let the zeros are. 3 zero assume பண்ணிருக்கேன். Alpha, comma, beta and gamma. Alpha, beta, gamma are the 3 zeros. Now what is the sum of the zeros? Sum of zeros. Sum of zeros என்ன? எல்லா ஜீரோயும் ஆட் பண்ணும். ஒரு ஜீரோ ஆல்பா, இன்னொரு ஜீரோ பீட்டா, தேர்ட் ஜீரோ காமா. அப்போ ஆல்பா ப்ளஸ் பீட்டா ப்ளஸ் காமா. ஆல்பா ப்ளஸ் பீட்டா ப்ளஸ் காமா இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு minus coefficient of x square divided by coefficient of x cube. Minus coefficient of x square by coefficient of x cube. What is coefficient of x square? Minus b by a. இந்த ஃபார்முலா படிக்கக்கூடாதுன்னு சொல்லியிருக்கேன். ஏன்னா லெட்டர் மாற்றி கொடுத்துருவாங்க. இதுதான் படிக்கணும். மைனஸ் கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயர் பை கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயர். இது வந்து சம் ஆஃப் ஜீரோஸ் டேக்கன் ஒன் அட் அ டைம். ஒவ்வொரு ஜீரோவாக ஆட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். டேக்கன் ஒன் அட் அ டைம். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு சம் ஆஃப் ப்ராடக்ட் ஆஃப் ஜீரோ டேக்கன் டூ அட் அ டைம். சம் ஆஃப் ப்ராடக்ட் of zeros taken 2 at a time. Okay, sum of product of zeros taken 2 at a time. ரெண்டு ஜீரோவை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி ஆட் பண்ணுவோம். ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட் வந்து ஆல்பா பீட்டா, ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட் வந்து ஆல்பா பீட்டா, இன்னொரு ப்ராடக்ட்டு பீட்டா காமா, மூணாவது ப்ராடக்ட்டு காமா ஆல்பா. இதுதான் ப்ராடக்ட்டு அப்படின்னா ஆல்பா பீட்டா, பீட்டா காமா, அப்புறம் காமா ஆல்பா, அப்புறம் என்ன சம்மனை எல்லாத்தையும் ஆட் பண்ணணும். இதுக்கு தான் பேரு சம் ஆஃப் ப்ராடக்ட் ஆஃப் ஜீரோஸ் டேக்கன் 2 at a time. டேக்கன் 2 at a time. அதுக்கு வந்து கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் ஆஃப் x divided by coefficient of x cube. இங்கே ப்ளஸ் கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் ஆஃப் x என்ன? c by a. இதோ இந்த ஃபார்முலா பங்க் பண்ணாத, இதை பங்க் பண்ணேன். மைனஸ் கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் ஆஃப் x by coefficient of x. Next last one, product of zeros. ப்ராடக்ட் எல்லா ஜீரோவையும் ப்ராடக்ட் பண்ணுறோம். ஆல்பா பீட்டா காமா, ஆல்பா இன்ட்டு பீட்டா இன்ட்டு காமா, ஆல்பா பீட்டா காமா. ஆல்பா பீட்டா காமானா மைனஸ் கான்ஸ்டன்ட் டேர்ம் பை கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் கியூப். மைனஸ் கான்ஸ்டன்ட் டேர்ம் டிவைடட் பை கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் கியூப். அதுக்கு எது கான்ஸ்டன்ட் டேர்ம்? d minus d by a. That is the formula to find sum of zeros taken one at a time. Sum of product of zero taken 2 at a time. It is the product of zeros alpha, beta, gamma is this is the formula. Example 2. Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square plus 7x plus 10 and verify the relationship between zeros and coefficient. Between the relation between the zeros and the coefficient. அப்போ என்ன பண்ணோம்னா இது வந்து quadratic polynomial degree 2. அப்போ how many zeros? Maximum 2 zeros. அப்போ we have to find the zeros. அப்போ first find zeros. x square plus 7x plus 10. x square plus 7x plus 10. இது 0 கிரிக்கெட். ஒரு பாலினாமியலோட 0 கண்டுபிடிக்கனா அந்த பாலினாமியலை 0 கிரிக்கெட் பண்ணி. So we have to find the values of x. 9th standardல 8th standardல படிச்சோம் how to factorize by middle term. எப்படி middle term is 7 split into 2 group. Coefficient of x வந்து 1 இது 10. 1 into 10 10. You have to split 10 such that add பண்ணா 7 வரணும் multiply பண்ணா 10 வரணும். 5 2s are 5 into 2 10. 5 plus 2 7. 5 into 2 10. 5 plus 2 7. இப்போ என்ன பண்ணுறேன்? This is x square plus 7x ரெண்டு டேர்மாக பிரிக்கிறேன். 5x plus 2x plus 10 equal to 0. I am splitting 7 as 5 and 2. 5x plus 10x. In the first ரெண்டு டேர்ம்ல what is the common? In first two what is the common? X is common. X into x plus 5. X into x plus 5. Then in these two terms என்ன common? See 2 is common. No variable is not common. Only 2 is common. 2 வெளியே எடுத்துட்டா x plus 5 equal to 0. Then counter check. X into x x square. X into 5x 5x plus 2 into x 2x plus 2 into 5 10. Then in this x plus 5 is common. இது ஒரு டேர்ம் இது ஒரு டேர்ம். இந்த டேர்ம்ல we got x plus 5 common. அந்த x plus 5 காமன் எடுத்துட்டா x plus 5 இதுல இருந்து x இதுல இருந்து 2 இந்த plus 5 equal to 0. That is factorized. There are two linear, we got product of two linear polynomials. இது degree 1 degree 1 ரெண்டு ஒவ்வொரு linear polynomial 0 கிரிக்கெட் பண்ணு. x plus 2 equal to 0. x plus 5 equal to 0. x plus 2 equal to 0, x is equal to minus 5 and x is equal to minus 2. Therefore, alpha equal to minus 5, beta equal to minus 2 are the two zeros of this polynomial. Right? X is equal to minus 5, minus 2 வந்து இந்த polynomial ரெண்டு zero. Find the zeros. Answer is over. அடுத்து என்ன கேட்குறேன்னா and verify the relationship. Relationship verify பண்ணணும். What is the relationship? Sum of the zeros is equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Product of 0 is equal to constant term by coefficient of x square. இப்போ sum of zeros. What is sum of zeros? Alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta. What is alpha plus beta? Minus 5 plus minus 2. Minus 5 plus minus 2. What is minus 5 plus minus 2? Is equal to minus 7. Minus 5 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 7. Minus 7 can be written as minus 7 divided by 1. Correct? Minus 7 minus 7 by 1 in எழுதலாம். ஏன்னா anything divided by 1 is empty. Minus 7. Now minus 7. Now minus is minus. 7 is coefficient of x. Correct? Minus as it is. In the minus as it is. In the 7 க்கு பதிலா this coefficient of x. What is one? Coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. So this 7 can be written as minus 7 by 1, which is equal to minus coefficient of x square. Therefore, the sum of zeros, actual addition, this is by actual addition, it is also equal to according to the formula. Therefore, sum of 0 is verified. Sum of 0 is verified. Now product of zeros. What is product of zeros? Product of zeros is alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is minus 5 into minus 2. This is the actual multiplication is plus 10. Minus into minus plus 5 into 10. This 10 can be written as 1. 10 by 1. 10 by 1 is 1. Now what is 10? See, 10 is constant term. Is equal to constant term by coefficient of x square. So the relationship also built up. By actual multiplication is 10. 10 can be written as 10 by 1. 10 by 1 10 வந்து constant term, 1 வந்து coefficient of x square. அதே மாதிரி alpha plus beta by actual addition minus 7. minus 7 minus 7 by 1 ன்னு எழுதலாம். இந்த மைனஸுக்கு மைனஸ், இந்த 7 வந்து coefficient of x, it is coefficient of x square. Hence relationship is verified. Hence relationship is verified. That is example number 2. Next example number 3. Polynomial x square minus 3. Find the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 3 and verify. And verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficient. Same some quadratic polynomial. First quadratic polynomial x square minus 3. To find 0 quadratic polynomial 0 க்கு equate பண்ணு. To find 0 equate a quadratic polynomial to 0. 0 க்கு equate பண்ணியாச்சு. Then we know that this a square minus b square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. Now this can be written as x square minus 3 can be written as root 3 minus the whole square. Root 3 minus root 3 into root 3 3. Now a square minus b square x plus root 3 into x minus root 3 equal to 0. Now this is one linear polynomial, this is one linear polynomial. Equate linear polynomial, equate separate linear polynomial to 0. X minus root 3 equal to 0. X is equal to minus root 3 and x is equal to plus root 3. Now 2 0. Alpha equal to minus root 3 and beta is equal to plus root 3. See, you got find the zero. You got find the zero. Zero கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. இப்போ என்ன பண்ண verify பண்ணு. We have to verify the relationship. How to verify the relationship? By sum of zeros. Sum of zeros. What is sum of zeros? Alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta. Alpha is minus root 3. Beta is plus root 3. Same number with the opposite sign get cancelled. Up and go 0. This 0 can is it 0. This 0 is equal to in 0 ku munnala minus sign is nothing, same 0 only. Minus 0 by 1. 0 divided by any number is 0. But 0 ku munnala minus sign போட்டாலோ அதே 0 தான். இப்போ minus 0, see minus. Now what is coefficient of x? What is coefficient of x square? Here there is no x term. There is no x term. Therefore coefficient of x is 0. Coefficient of x is 0. அப்போ 0 வந்து coefficient of x. Then 1 is the coefficient of x square. 1 is the coefficient of x square. So sum of 0 is alpha plus beta is minus root 3 plus root 3 0. இந்த 0 minus 0 by 1 ன்னு எழுதலாம். இந்த மைனஸுக்கு மைனஸை வச்சுட்டேன். இந்த 0 வந்து coefficient of x, 1 வந்து coefficient of x square. Then product of zeros. Actual multiplication alpha into beta minus root 3 into plus root 3 root 3 into root 3 3 ஆனால் மைனஸ் சைன் இருக்கு மைனஸ் இந்த மைனஸ் எப்படி எழுதலாம் this minus can be written as this minus 3 can be written as minus minus 3 by 1 minus 3 by 1 what is minus 3 minus 3 is constant term minus 3 is constant term by 1 is coefficient of x square so it is also verified hence relationship is verified. These are all 3 mark questions. Example 4. Find a quadratic polynomial. Find a quadratic polynomial. The sum and product of whose zeros are minus 3 and 2 respectively. Sum of 0 is given minus 3 and product of the zeros are given 2. We have to form the quadratic polynomial. Let the two zeros are. Let the two zeros are alpha and beta. Assume that sum of the alpha plus beta கொடுத்திருக்கு. Alpha plus beta equal to minus 3 and alpha into beta 2 whose sum na alpha plus beta product of alpha into beta இப்போ நமக்கு ஃபார்முலா இருக்கு p of x is equal to k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta therefore p of x is equal to k into x square minus alpha plus beta minus 3 plus 2 is equal to k into x square plus 3x plus 2 where k is any real number. K can be any real number. So when k equal to 1, p of x is x square plus 3x plus 2. இதுதான் quadratic polynomial. இப்போ நம்ம k வந்து any real numberனு வச்சுக்கிட்டோம். அப்போ when k equal to 1னா p of x is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. This is the required answer. It is the required answer. Next example 5. Verify that 3, minus 1, minus 1 by 3 are the zeros of the cubic polynomial p of x is equal to 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3 and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. First, what is the given polynomial? What is p of x? P of x is equal to 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3. Why it is a cubic polynomial? Because degree is 3. Maximum number of terms in the cubic polynomial 4. All the terms are there. No term is absent. Every term is there. Then we have to check, verify. P of 3 is 0. So P of 3 can find P of 3. What is P of 3? In place of x, I replace 3. X க்கு பதிலா 3 இருக்கு. இங்கே x க்கு பதிலா எங்க இருக்கோ அந்த 3 சப்ஸ்டிட் பண்ணேன். 3 into 3 cube minus 5 into 3 square minus 11 into 3 minus 3 is equal. You can know 3 into 27. 3 cube 3 into 3 9 into 3 27 minus 9 3 into square 9 minus 45 minus 33 minus 3 is equal to it is 81. 3 sevens are 21. 1, 3 twos are 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Minus 45. Minus 33. Minus 3 is equal to 81. Minus 3, 3, 6, 6, 1. Then 4, 4, 8 is equal to 0. Therefore, if P of 3 is the 0 of this polynomial, then check for P of minus 1. What is P of minus 1? P of minus 1, 3 into minus 1 the whole cube, minus 5 into minus 1 the whole square, minus 11 into minus 1 minus 3 is equal to 3 into minus 1 the whole cube is minus 1, minus 5 into 1, minus 1 the whole square plus 1, minus into minus plus 11 minus 3 is equal to minus 3 minus 5 plus 11 minus 3, minus 3 minus 8 minus 11, 11 minus 11 equal to 0. Therefore, P of minus 1 is also 0 of this polynomial. Then go for P of minus 1 by 3. P of minus 1 by 3. P of minus 1 by 3. 3 into minus 1 by 3 the whole cube. Minus 5 into minus 1 by 3 the whole square. Minus 11 into minus 1 by 3 minus 3 is equal to 3 into minus 1 by 27 minus 1 by 27 minus 5 into 1 by 9 plus 11 by 3 minus into minus plus minus 3, then minus 3 by 27 minus 5 by 9 plus 11 by 3 minus 3. Now take LCM. LCM is 27. 27 ones are minus 3. 3s are minus 15. 3s are 3 into 5 minus 15. Plus 9s are 27, 9 and 99. Minus 27 into minus 3, 81 is equal to 81 minus 81 minus 96 minus 99. 99 minus 99 by 27 equal to 0 by 27 equal to 0. Therefore 3 comma 1, 3 comma minus 1, 3 comma minus 1 comma minus 1 by 3 are zeros of P of X. Are zeros of P of X. First question is what? Example verify are the zeros of the cubic column. We have proved it is zeros. Now we have to verify the relation. Now P of X. What is P of X? P of X is equal to 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3. Now equal to standard form ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d plus cx plus d. Here a equal to 3, b equal to minus 5, c equal to minus 11 and d equal to minus 3. D three zeros are alpha, beta, gamma. Let alpha equal to 3, beta equal to minus 1, gamma is equal to minus 1 by 3. Now sum of zeros. What is alpha plus beta plus gamma? Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 3. 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 3. If we take LCM 3 3s are 9 because 1 got 1. 9 minus 3 minus 1 is equal to 9 minus 4 5 by 3. 5 by 3. 5 by 3 is equal to, which is equal to minus of minus 5 by 3. We can write minus 5 by 3, 5 can be written as minus of minus 5 by 3 is equal to minus, what is minus 5? Minus 5 is b, what is a? 3b is equal to nothing but minus coefficient of x square by coefficient of x cube. One verification over. Next, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to 3 into minus 1 plus minus 1 into minus 1 by 3 plus minus 1 by 3 into 3. Alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus gamma into alpha. This is minus 3 plus 1 by 3 plus this cancel, this is minus 1. Now take LCM. LCM is 3 by 1, 3 times minus 9, 1 time 1 plus minus 3 plus minus 3 is equal to minus 9, minus 12, minus 12, minus 12 minus 11 by 3, minus 11 by 3, minus 11 by 3. What is minus 11? Minus 11 is your C, C by A, C by A. Your C minus 11 is coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x cube. So this relation also verified. Then third one, alpha into beta into gamma. Alpha into beta into gamma. 3 into minus 1 into minus 1 by 3. 3 3s are cancelled. Minus 1 to minus 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is minus 1 to plus 1. This can be written as 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 3. 3 3 cancel, minus 1. This is equal to plus 1. Plus 1. Plus 1 can be written as, this plus 1 can be written as minus of minus 3 by 3. Minus of minus 3 plus 3. Plus 3 by 3, 1. So to arrange this, minus of minus 1, minus 3 minus 3 is d. Minus d by a. That is constant term divided by coefficient of x cube. Therefore, here the relationship also verified. Hence, relationship verified. This is an important question. Sometimes I may be asked. Exercise 2.2. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials, and verify the relationship between their zeros, and the coefficients. Question number 1. X square minus 2x. X square minus 2x minus 8. X square minus 2x minus 8. To first find the zeros of the polynomial, equate the given polynomial to 0. X square minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. X square minus 2 minus 8. Now we have to factorize. This is middle term is minus 2x. We have to split the middle term. To split the middle term, you have to select two numbers such that if you multiply that two number, you should get minus 8. If you add the two number, you get minus 2. அந்த ரெண்டு நம்பரை ஆட் பண்ணால் மைனஸ் 2 கிடைக்கணும், ரெண்டு நம்பரை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் மைனஸ் 8 கிடைக்கணும். அப்போ என்ன நம்பர்? சி minus 2. இதை நான் ரெண்டாக பிரிக்கிறேன். ஒன்று 6, இன்னும் 2. 6, 4 and 2. 4 2s are 8. 4 2 மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் 8. ஆனால் ஆட் பண்ணால் 6 வருது. அதனால சைன் பண்ணணும். இப்போ மைனஸ் சைன். -4 + 2. -4 + 2 is -4 + 2 is -2. -4 into +2 is -8. We got both இது. மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் -8, ஆட் பண்ணால் -2. ஸோ ஸ்ப்ளிட் x² minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. இந்த ரெண்டு டேர்மாக போச்சு. இது ஃபஸ்ட்டு ரெண்டு டேர்ம், அடுத்த ரெண்டு டேர்ம். இதில் என்ன காமன் எடுக்கலாம் அப்படின்னா எக்ஸ் காமன் எடுக்கலாம். எக்ஸ் இன்ட்டு எக்ஸ் மைனஸ் 4 ப்ளஸ் we can take 2 காமன், 2 into x minus 4. பாரு, இது ஒரு டேர்ம், இது ஒரு டேர்ம். இந்த ரெண்டு டேர்மில் என்ன காமன் எடுக்கணும்னா எக்ஸ் மைனஸ் 4 காமன் எடுக்கணும். இதில் x minus 4, இதில் x minus 4 காமன் எடுத்துன்னா x plus 2 இதையும் 0க்கு ஈக்குவேட் பண்ணு. இப்போ we got two linear factors. We got two linear polynomials or factors. Individually 0க்கு ஈக்குவேட் பண்ணு. x minus 4 equal to 0, x plus 2 equal to 0, x is equal to 4, x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to 4, x is equal to minus 2. These are two zeros of the polynomial. இது வந்து let alpha is equal to 4, beta equal to minus 2. Assume alpha equal to 4, beta equal to minus 2. என்ன கேட்டாங்க? Find the zeros of the polynomial. We have found the zeros of the polynomial. Then we have to verify the relationship. Verify the relationship. இப்போ ax² plus bx plus c இதான் ஜெனரல் குவாட்ராட்டிக் பாலினாமியல். இப்போ நம்ம கொடுத்துருக்கிற பாலினாமியல் x² minus 2x minus 8. அப்போ கம்பேர் பண்ணால் a வந்து இந்த இடத்துல 1 இருக்குது, a1, b minus 2, c minus 8, c minus 8. Now we are going to verify. But what is alpha plus beta? Alpha beta add பண்ணு by actual addition. Actual addition 4 plus minus 2, 4 plus minus 2, 4 plus minus 2. What is 4 plus minus 2? 4 plus minus 2 is 2. 4 plus minus 2 is 2. இந்த 2-ஐ 2 by 1 எழுதலாம். 2 by 1 also 2. Again இந்த 2-ஐ minus of minus 2 by 1. ஏன்னா minus into minus plus. இப்போ minus 2ங்கிறது என்னது? minus b by a. minus b by a. அப்போ minus bங்கிறது coefficient of x is equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Alpha plus beta by actual addition plus 2. This 2 வந்து minus of minus 2 எழுது, minus b by n கொள்ளுது, minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x கொள்ளுது. Now actual multiplication alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is 4 into minus 2. இது alpha and beta multiply பண்ணா minus 8. Minus 8. இந்த minus 8 எப்படி எழுதலாம்? We can write minus 8 as minus 8 by 1. What is your minus 8? Minus 8 is c. c by a is equal to constant term. Constant term divided by coefficient of x square. So we have verified the relation. Hence, relationship is verified. Hence, relationship is verified. This is question number 1. Next question. What is question number 2? Question number 2, 4x square minus 4s plus 1. It is 4s square minus 4s plus 1. It is a polynomial in the variable s. The degree வந்து 2. Therefore, it is a quadratic polynomial. First, we have to equate this quadratic polynomial to 0. 0 க்கு equate பண்ணி we have to factorize. See, if you multiply 1 into 4 is 1, then coefficient of x is minus 4. After we have to select two numbers, Select two numbers such that if you add the two numbers, we should get -4. If you multiply the two numbers, same two numbers, you should get +4. What is the two numbers? See, this is -4. I am going to split. This is -2 into -2. -2 into -2 +4. -2 add -4. So I got splitted. Then write 4s square minus 2s plus 1 equal to 0. So before it was 3 terms, now it is 4 terms. Then in the first 2 terms and the next 2 terms, what is the common? In a common arcade, number la 2 common, letter la s common. Then take 4s square, 2s divide panna 2s minus 2s by 2s 1. இதில் we got what is the common? இதில் இங்கே மைனஸ் இருக்குது, இங்கே ப்ளஸ் இருக்குது. ஸோ there is no common, 1 is common. 1 is common. அப்போ -1 we can take. -1 2s minus 1 equal to 0. Now 2s minus 1 into 2s minus 1. Because we can take this term is common is equal to 0. Two linear polynomial. 2s minus 1 equal to 0. 2s minus 1 equal to 0. 2s is equal to 1. 2s is equal to 1. S is equal to 1 by 2. S is equal to 1 by 2. S is equal to 1 by 2. Appo both the zeros are same zero. If we draw the graph of this polynomial touches the x-axis at plus 1 by 2. Touches the x-axis at 1 by 2. Let me keep alpha is equal to 1 by 2 and beta also 1 by 2. Alpha equal to 1 by 2, beta also 1 by 2. Now, the given quadratic polynomial, by comparing with the standard quadratic polynomial, what is A? A is equal to coefficient of x square 4. What is B? B is coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is -4. What is C? C is the constant term is 1. Now we are going to verify. First find sum of the zeros. Alpha plus beta. Sum of 0, alpha plus beta. By actual addition. Alpha plus beta, both the zeros are 1 by 2, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. What is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2? 1. 1 by 2 is 1. 1 can be written as 1 by 1. This one again can be written as minus of -1 by 1. Minus of -1. Minus into minus plus 1 by. Sorry. Minus of. See, we need this one can be written as. Sorry. This one can be written as 4 by 4. Why? Because 4 by 4. Because see, A is equal to 4, B equal to minus 4 by 4. 4 by 4 also 1. Again, this can be written as minus of -4 by 4. Minus of -4. Minus of -4 is plus 4. Plus 4 by 4, 4. See, what is the purpose to verify? Now, is equal to minus, what is -4? B. B by A is equal to minus coefficient of S divided by coefficient of S square. So, one relation is verified. Next product. Alpha into beta. By actual multiplication, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. 1 by 4. Your 1 by 4 is, 1 is C. C. 4 is A. Is equal to constant term by coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. So alpha plus beta we have verified it, but this is by actual addition. According to the formula is constant term by coefficient of s square. This is alpha into beta is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is 1 is equal to C, 4 equal to A, so C by A. C by A. Therefore, relationship is verified. relationship is verified. Question number 3. 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. This polynomial is not in the standard form. Write in the standard form and equal to 0. First, higher degree term, x square term, then x term minus 7x minus 3 equal to 0. Write in the standard form. Now we have to find the zeros, individual zeros. To find individual zeros, factorize. If we have to select two numbers, if we multiply that two numbers, you have to get 6 into minus 3 minus 18. 6 into minus 3 minus 18. If we add the two numbers, you should get minus 7. You will get minus 7. After we are going to split minus 7 into two parts. One is, see, minus 18 gives 9 into 2, 18. Minus 9 into 2, minus 18. 9 into minus 2 also minus 18. So out of this, we have to, both the conditions should be set. Adding, you should get minus 10. Multiply, you get minus 9. Up minus 9 plus 2. Minus 9 into 2 will give minus 18. Minus 9 plus 2 gives minus 7. Now split. 6x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 3. Minus 3 equal to 0. You got two terms. In these two terms, we can take common, x common and 3 also common. 3x. Then if we take 3x, we got 2x. 6x square by 3x is 2x. Minus 9x by 3x, 3. Plus, in this, what is the common? In this, only 1 is common. 2 and 3 no common, only 1 is common. Take 1. Then 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Now, this term is common. 2x minus 3 into 3x plus 1 equal to 0. We got two linear polynomials. 2x minus 3, 0, 3x plus 1, 0. 2x is equal to 3, 3x equal to minus 1, x is equal to 3 by 2, x is equal to minus 1 by 3. ரெண்டு ஜீரோ கிடைச்சாச்சு. ஒரு ஜீரோ x is equal to 3 by 2. செகண்ட் ஜீரோ x is equal to minus 1 by 3. அப்போ let keep alpha is equal to 3 by 2, beta equal to minus 1. ஒரு ஜீரோவை ஆல்பானோ இன்னொரு ஜீரோ பீட்டானோ அசீவ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். இப்போ வெரிஃபிகேஷன் பண்ணுறோம். ஹவு டு வெரிஃபை? மொதல் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் குவாட்ராட்டிக் பாலினாமியோட அதை கம்பேர் பண்ணால், வாட் இஸ் ஏ? A is coefficient of x 6. What is B? B is coefficient of A is coefficient of x square 6. A is coefficient of x square 6. B coefficient of x minus 7. What is C? C constant term. Constant term minus 3. The verification. First by actual addition. What alpha plus beta add பண்ணேன். Actual add பண்ணேன். Alpha க்கு பதிலா 3 by 2, beta plus minus 1 by 3, plus minus 1 by 3. Take LCM. No, first 3 by 2 minus 1 by 3 LCH. Now what is the LCM? LCM is 2 into 3 6. In 6 we got 3 2s. 3 into 3 9. Minus. In 6 we got 2 3. 2 into 1 2. So is equal to 7 by 6. You got 7 by 6. இப்போ சின்னதாக என்ன பண்ணுறோம்? இங்கே பாரு, minus 7. இது எப்படி எழுதலாம்? Minus of minus 7 by 6. Minus of minus 7 by 6. இப்போ minus of minus 7ங்கிறது என்னது? Your B. ஆல்ரெடி முன்னாடி ஒரு மைனஸ் இருக்குது. இந்த minus 7 B by A is equal to coefficient of x minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square 1 by 2x. Second one, actual multiplication alpha into beta. Alpha into beta na alpha வந்து 3 by 2, beta வந்து minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. இப்போ கட் பண்ணாத 3 into 1 3 into minus 1 minus 3 3 into 2 6. இப்போ minus 3, what is minus 3? C இது A. இப்போ கட் பண்ணிட்டா திருப்பி அந்த மாதிரி எழுத முடியாது, அதனால இப்படி எழுது. அப்போ C வந்து என்னது? கான்ஸ்டன்ட் ஆஃப் by coefficient of x square. அப்போ sum of the zero, இது வந்து actual addition by formula. This is product of zero by actual multiplication and formula. Hence relationship is verified. Hence relationship is verified. Question number 4. 4u square plus 8u. 4u square plus 8u. 4u square plus 8u. 4u square plus 8u. Is it a quadratic polynomial? Check whether highest degree is 2. Here highest degree is 2. Here the degree is 1. So it is a quadratic polynomial. It is a quadratic polynomial as a binomial. We got only 2 terms. Maximum number of terms in a quadratic polynomial is 3. We can have 1 term quadratic polynomial, 2 term quadratic polynomial and a 3 term quadratic. It is a 2 term quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial as a binomial. Now first to find the zero, you have to equate to 0. Equate to 0. No need to splitting the middle term here because we got only 2 terms. First you take what is the number in common. We got 4. We can take 4. So 4. What is letter common? U common. Take 4u outside. 4u square by 4u. U. 4u into u, 4u square. Plus. If you got plus 8, put plus 8. 8u by 4u, 2. So is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. 4u equal to 0. U plus 2 equal to 0. It is a linear polynomial as a binomial. It is a linear polynomial as a monomial. Linear polynomial as a monomial. It is a linear polynomial as a binomial. Take u is equal to 0 by 4. 0 by anything is 0. So 1 0 is 0. U is equal to minus 2. So the two zeros are alpha equal to 0, beta equal to minus 2. We have found the individual zeros. Now we have to verification. When compared to the general quadratic polynomial, what is A? A is coefficient of x square. Here coefficient of u square is 4. What is B? Coefficient of x. Here the coefficient of u is 8. What is C? C is the, there is no constant term. Here constant term is 0. Now verification. Actual addition. What is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta you add 0 plus minus 2. What is 0 plus minus 2? Minus 2. How can we write minus 2? Minus 2 by minus 2 can be written as minus 2 can be written as minus 8 by 4. Minus 8 minus 2. If you cut 8 divided by 4, you get minus 2. So, to get the relation, I am writing this. Minus 2 can be written as minus 8 by 4. Minus 8 minus, what is 8? B. What is A? 4. Minus B by A is equal to minus coefficient of U divided by coefficient of U square. One verification is over. Next, actual multiplication. Alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is 0 into minus 2. 0 into 0 into minus 2. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. So 0 into minus 2 is 0. This 0 can be written as 0 by 4. 0 by anything multiplied by 0 is 0. 0 divided by anything is also 0. So it is 0. What is 0? 0 is constant term. 0 is constant term divided by 4 is coefficient of mu square. Coefficient of mu square. So the verification is the relationship is verified. Hence relationship is verified. Hence relationship is verified. Question number 5. T square minus 50. T square minus 50. Is it a quadratic polynomial? Yes, it is a quadratic polynomial in T because the highest variable is 2. The condition for a quadratic polynomial is highest degree must be 2, there will be 2. It is a two-term quadratic polynomial in which there is no t term, there is no coefficient, first degree term is not there. So to find a quadratic polynomial, to find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, equate the quadratic polynomial to 0. Equate the quadratic polynomial to 0. Now there is no constant term. This can be written as t square minus root 50 the whole square. Root 15 the square is root 15 into root 15 50. So this is can be written, we got a formula a square minus b square. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. We got algebraic formula. This can be written as t plus root 15 into t minus root 15 equal to 0. T plus root 15, t minus, it is a two linear polynomial. T plus root 15 equate the individual linear polynomial to 0. T minus root 15 equal to 0. Therefore, t equal to minus root 15 and t equal to plus root 15. So we got two zeros. Now keep alpha as minus root 15 and beta as plus root 15. Now we have to verify. Now comparing with the standard quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, a is coefficient of x square. Here a is coefficient of t square. Coefficient of t square is 1. What is b? B is coefficient of x. Here the coefficient of t. Since there is no t term, coefficient of t is 0. Now c is constant term. Here the constant term is minus 15. Here the constant term is minus 15. Why b is 0? There is no t term. Therefore coefficient of t is 0. Now verification. Now actual addition. First we have to verify actual addition. By actual addition, alpha plus beta. Alpha is minus root 15. Beta is plus root 15. So we will get cancelled. The answer is 0. This 0 can be written as 0 by 1 because 0 divided by anything is 0. According to 0 in now we will put minus 0 also. Minus minus sign before 0 is nothing will happen. Minus 0 is also 0, plus 0 is also 0. Minus 0 is can be written as minus b. 0 b minus by a is equal to minus b by a is equal to minus b is coefficient of t, coefficient of t divided by coefficient of t square. Coefficient of t is 0, coefficient of t square is 1. See here, put minus. Minus coefficient of t divided by coefficient of t square. Next, actual multiplication. Alpha actual multiplication. Alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is minus root 5, root 15 into plus root 15. Or is minus root 15? Minus into plus, first to minus. Root 15 into root 15, 15. This 15, minus 15 can be written as minus 15 by 1. Anything divided by 1 is same thing. Anything divided by 1 is same thing. So it is nothing but minus 15 by 1 can be written as minus, see minus 15 your constant C by A. Minus 15 is C. A is equal to constant term divided by coefficient of t square. Coefficient of t square. Hence, relationship is verified. Hence, coefficient of relationship is verified. Question number 6. 3x square minus x minus 4. It is first equate the given quadratic polynomial to 0. 3x square minus x minus 4 equal to 0. Now we have to factorize. To factorize, we have to select two numbers. If you multiply the two numbers, 3 into minus 4 is equal to minus 12. If you add, the answer should be minus 12. If you add the two numbers, you have to minus 12. You have to catch the two numbers. See, minus 12 will give 4 3s, 4 3, 4 3 and 4 3. One possibility, both are minus, but it is not possible. Minus 4 plus 3, minus 4 plus 3. So if you add minus 1, if you multiply minus 12, this is good. 4 into 3 plus 12. So 4, then this is minus 3. This is not possible. Minus 12 is there, but 4 minus 3 is plus 1. So it is not. So this is the correct answer. So minus 4 into 3. Minus 4 into 3. Now 3x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. Then these into 2 terms. In these two terms, what we take? We can take, in letter we can take x common. In number, no number is common. So we take x. After taking 3x square by x, 3x. 4x by x, minus 4. If you confirm for multiplication, x into 3x, 3x square, x into minus 4, minus 4x, plus, in this two term only 1 is common, plus 1 into 3x minus 4 equal to 0. 3x minus 4 equal to 0. Then in these two common, we can take 3x minus 4 common. 3x minus 4 into x plus 1 equal to 0. We got two linear factors, two linear polynomials. 3x minus 4 equal to 0, x plus 1 equal to 0, 3x equal to 4, x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 4 by 3. X is equal to, we got 2. X is equal to 4, x is equal to 4 by 3, x is equal to minus 1. The two zeros are, one zero is alpha equal to 4 by 3, alpha equal to 4 by 3, beta equal to minus 1. Alpha equal to 4 by 3 and beta equal to minus 1. Now we have to verify. Now compare with the standard quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, a equal to coefficient of x square 3, b equal to coefficient of x minus 1, c is the constant term minus 4. Now find actual addition. What is the actual addition? Alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta. What is alpha plus beta? Minus 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3 into minus 1 is equal to, here 1, the LCM is 3, 3s are 4, minus 3 times 3 divided by 1, 3 into minus 1 minus 3 is equal to 1 by 3. So alpha plus beta is 1 by 3. This 1 can be written as minus of minus 1 by 3. 1 can be written minus of minus 1 plus 1 by 3. Now what is minus? Minus 1 is b by a. Minus b by a is equal to coefficient of x divided minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. Then alpha into beta. Alpha into beta actual multiplication 4 by 3 into minus 1 is equal to minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3. What is minus 4? Is c by a. C by a is equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square. See, minus 4 by 3 can be written as constant term by coefficient of x square. So both the relationship is verified. Hence, is verified. Hence, relationship is verified. Exercise 2.2. Question number 2. Find a quadratic polynomial each of with given numbers as the sum and the product. The given numbers are, first number is sum of the zeros and the second number is the product of zeros respectively. So, in this first question, 1 by 4 is sum of the zeros and minus 1 is the product of the zeros, then we have to form a quadratic polynomial. If sum of the zeros given alpha plus beta, question number 1, alpha plus beta equal to 1 by 4 and alpha beta equal to minus 1. We got one quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. I already given this formula. K into x square minus alpha plus beta into x. Where alpha plus beta is sum of the zeros, alpha beta is product of the zeros. Write k x square minus, what is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is 1 by 4 into x plus, what is alpha plus beta? Minus 1 k into x square minus x by 4, 1 into x by 4 minus 1. See, if the denominator is 1, then take LCM, k into 4 into, this is 4 into x square, 4x square minus x minus 4. 4x square minus 4x square minus x k into, now take LCM, 4, here 1 by 1. 4 times 4 into x square, 4x square. 4 1 time 1 minus 1 into x minus x. Here 1 4 times minus 4 is minus 4. By taking whatever the denominator, you take k is equal to 4. By taking k is equal to 4. By taking k is equal to 4, 4 into 4x square minus x minus 4 by 4. So 4 cancel, therefore 4x square minus x minus 4 is the required polynomial. 4x square minus x minus 4 is the required polynomial. Question number 2. Question number 2. What is question number 2? This is root 2 and 1 by 3. Alpha plus beta is equal to root 2. Alpha plus beta equal to root 2 and alpha beta equal to 1 by 3. Then the formula k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. K into x square minus what is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is root 2. Alpha plus beta is root 2 into x plus alpha beta is 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Now multiply by 3. This is take LCM. LCM is 3 by 1 1 3 ones 3 into x square 3x square minus 3 into 1 3 root 2x plus 3 ones are 3, so 1. By taking k is equal to 3. Whatever the denominator, you take k is equal to 3. 3 into 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1 by 3. So 3 cancel. The required polynomial is 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. That is the required polynomial. Question number 2. Now question number 3. Question number 3. Alpha plus beta. Question number 3. Alpha plus beta equal to 0. Alpha into beta is equal to root 5. The formula is k into x square minus sum of the roots alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. K into x square minus alpha plus beta is 0 into x plus root 5 is equal to root 5 is equal to k into x square. 0 into x is 0. So plus root 5. Since there is the denominator 1, taking k is equal to 1, the quadratic polynomial is 1 into x square plus root 5 by 1. That is 1 cancel is equal to x square plus root 5 is the required polynomial. Question number 4. Alpha plus beta equal to 1. Sum of the zeros is 1. Alpha into beta is also 1. Alpha plus beta equal to 1 and formula is k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. K into x square minus 1 into x plus 1. Since there is 1, so by taking k equal to 1, therefore the required polynomial is 1, k is equal to 1, you put 1 into 1 cancel, x square minus x plus 1 is the required polynomial. Question number 4. Question number 5. Question number 5. Alpha plus beta equal to minus 1 by 4. Alpha into beta equal to plus 1 by 4. Alpha plus beta equal to minus 1 by 4. Alpha into beta equal to plus 1 by 4. Formula is k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to k into x square minus of minus 1 by 4x plus 1 by 4. That is k into x square minus into minus plus x by 4 plus 1 by 4. If we take LCM, 4 into k by 1, 1s are 4x square plus x plus 1. Taking k is equal to 4, k equal to 4, the required polynomial is 4x square. If you put 4 here, 4 by 4, 1. 4x square plus x plus 1 is the required polynomial. Then last one. Question number 6. Alpha plus beta, alpha beta. What is alpha plus beta? 4. Alpha beta 1. Alpha beta 1. Formula k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to k into x square minus alpha plus beta is 4x plus 1. So 1, taking k as 1, taking k equal to 1, the required polynomial is here 1. If you take k as 1, 1 by 1 cancel. The required polynomial is x square minus 4x plus 1. The required polynomial is x square minus 4x plus 1.